My name is Bandaru Ramarao. Ram. I am a professor and chair of the Chemical Engineering Department here at ESF.
I'm Chris Thomas. I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at SUNY ESF. Broad strokes, I say our research is a way of turning abundant, non-recyclable, fibrous, plant-based waste into a suite of high-performing biodegradable polymers. SUNY TAF funded the early stage prototyping of this waste to biopolymer technology. We started with a legacy SUNY ESF engineered bacteria and did some further manipulations to it so it could easily take these wastes and then turn them into the bioplastics, which it already had the modality to do those things. We were just making it more engineering feasible.
These biodegradable materials can be used to make plastics. For example, they can be used to make your grocery bags, they can be used to make your pizza boxes, and so on and so forth. The primary advantage of making these materials out of bioplastics is that you can take this material and if you could just put it in the environment, just literally hang it out to dry, and in approximately 6 months to 1 year, the whole thing would disappear. So what would have otherwise gone into a landfill, you have taken it away and you've put it back into the cycle. The science that we've already developed is to be used in a certain way to fulfill a commercial need, to fulfill an actual practical consumer or social need. And that is the bioplastic product itself.
So what you have are these paper packagers. They see all the environmental changes right now, all the market pressures that are happening because of them. Consumers want something different. They're willing to pay more for it. Legislators are telling them they have to not use toxic materials like PFAS, like polyethylene. And their most hoped for solution is a marine biodegradable, home compostable, effective, and affordable barrier coating. The TAF funding had more leeway than, for example, our private funding, which we're able to get afterward for funding personnel. It helps us get interns, it helps us make gaps where otherwise our funding isn't able to get it. Really, this is an opportunity to do something for the environment. And it's kind of crazy to be working on a project, and I tell this to our collaborators and interns all the time, where we can actually change the world in a very, very small way. But the success of this project is that it's not going to end up as microplastics in the environment and then in our soil and our water and in our bodies.